So I like to put the pins from the inside of the bias binding, and then I will turn it to the other side, and then I put the pins on this side, and then I stitch here in the ditch. So my necklines are all binded, and I'm going to press it nicely down. Okay, so we're going to do the pockets. Now the instructions will also tell you nicely on the website how you do the pockets. But now for the beginners who might be struggling even with those instructions, I want you first of all make sure that you have the placement of your pocket on the right spot. So you have to keep the top part of the skirt against your body. And because some people are short and the 5 inches that they have might be a little bit too low for you, or you might be handicapped and things like that. So decide exactly where the mark should be, and I am going to link for you a nice video showing you how to do the the inside pocket. So make sure all the pieces are marked before you do anything else. So you should have 4 marks. 1, 2 on the other side, and then the back piece. Okay, and then you just follow the instructions or the video I will link. Make sure you top stitch on the side of the pocket over here. This is the pocket part, so there. I decided to line up my pieces now. This is the bodice, this is the top layer, and this is the bottom layer, and I decided I'm going to mark them in the middle of each one, so it will be easier to fit them for the gathers. So I marked the pieces in quarters, the bodice in the middle. This is the side seam, and this is the side seam, and the same with the skirt, the middle. So what I did then, I pin it. I first did the gathering. Okay, now the gathering, I didn't just start from the one side to the other side. Now this is just my style. I start here and I make a gathering stitch, the widest length that your machine can do. Then I stop in the middle, and then I start from there, do another gathering stitch until the other side. So I will basically have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces that I will gather in, and then I pin it. So what I will do now, I will just gather it so everything fits. So I put on the layers together. This is the bottom one. As you can see that I treated the lining with the main fabric as one. If you are just using your main fabric, that's all good as the pattern, and then you will just pin it together and overlock it, and then just do the hem. So the dummy is not my size, and I am going to hang it overnight, and then I am going to do the hem. and I'm going to hand sew the hem. That's the plan. So here I'm very happy so far with my work I've done, and I will fit it on tomorrow before I will do the hem. So I overlocked the hem. You can zigzag it if you want to. And then I measured it one inch, or what I use in centimeter, 2.5 centimeter right around. And I will be hand sewing now the hem. And then I'm done. So for my beginners, all that I do, I start here by the seam, secure it nicely, and then I just put the needle through the lining part if you're doing the lined one. Otherwise, you just take one or two threads from the fabric, and it shouldn't show on the other side, only like the one thread that you actually took. And then that's just all you go through the overlocking part or the zigzag, and then make a small stitch and go to the next part there. Take a small stitch and then through the fold, then through the fabric, and then through the fold, and that's how you continue. So I wanted to add a little straps from the waist and make a small bow at the back, and this looks like 7 millimeter, and I'm just doing the easy way out now. I don't want to turn it right side out, so I'm just going to sew there by the edge, and I'm going to hand sew it to the side of the waist. I like to define the waist. I don't like tight clothes, but I still want I think we look a little bit slimmer if we have a little bit of waist definition.